And how long it'll take to paint it?
You want to paint it black?
I want to paint it the color match the truck.
Do you want the actual texture still on, or you want to smooth it out?
You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping me in with your boy today's vlog. Check this out. Listen, I'm going to get these truck mods started up with you guys. As you just saw from the previous video, lift, wheels, tires, suspension is on the truck, and I already had truck mods like I told you guys lined up. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a snapshot of what I got going on right now. So what you see right here is the AVS bug deflector. I'm going to take this and I'm actually going to see whether or not I can get this color matched to my truck. I think in here I have some, lettering in here. Yeah, this is some lettering in here. Yeah, so I'm going to get this AVS bug deflector put on the truck, man. And yeah, I got a lot of other stuff that I gotta do. So you're gonna be on the road with me today. So let's see whether or not we can get this AVS bug deflector quoted out, priced out. It will not be going on the truck today, but I'm trying to get you guys, you know what I'm saying, sneak peek into what's going on, all right? So let's hit the road, let's get this in the truck, let's get this day started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I have the bug deflector loaded up on the truck. Actually, let me go ahead and push that all the way up on there. Made in the US of A. And you see the truck. I actually just put some tire shine on it. Just took some photos. I'm not sure if this will be a thumbnail photo at all. Thumbnail video, but going to see what the day holds for us today. And I've already told my guy Jarvis that I'm on the way, so let's get this on the road. This is also my first full drive of the F150 while it's lifted with the tires and everything, since getting it done yesterday. Obviously I drove it home, but this is the first time I've actually had it out for the day, and it rides really, really well. I'll explain the details behind why I went with the tire choice, the wheel choice, and all that stuff in another video, so you have to stay tuned and tap in onto why I chose exactly what I chose. But I'm actually overall happy with this build thus far. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't have any rubbing or anything like that. So these guys at Monster Customs did a really, really good job. I highly suggest that if you got some work that you want to get done, go and check them out. Just pull it up. That's what I need next. That's what I need next.
Life change.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I see you. Got an 18 footer coming in. Let me get up outside.
No problem. Let me get this bug deflector out of here. Alright, so here's the deflector. I wrapped it pretty good. Took care of the product. I don't want to really take it out, but I want to see what it looks like on the front of the truck.
Is that light or something?
Yeah. Oh, wait, they don't come in there? You got to put them in there yourself? I guess that's what these are. Yeah.
Yep. I'm just happy together, sir.
How much it, and how long it'll take to paint it?
You want to paint it black?
I want to paint it the color match the truck.
Do you want the actual texture still on, or you want to smooth it out?
What's the difference?
You want it smooth, or you like it textured?
If it could be smooth, that'd be cool, but I'm asking.
Yeah, a little more work on that.
Is it a little bit more work for that?
Yeah. I mean, you can go with the white. Maybe cool.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna get this priced out. what it will cost to get it very smooth, I guess, with the lights and all that stuff installed, versus just leaving the texture like it is. Quite honestly, that's what it's really gonna come down to, because if it costs too much in my mind, then I'm just gonna do it myself, and then if I mess it up, I'll bring it back to them and pay the full price. Because quite honestly, I can paint. I know I painted my Chrysler wheels before, but I personally don't want to deal with the hassle of having to like sand this thing down and prime it and prep it and do all those, and you know, and I don't do anything electricity. So I know that there is some wiring involved, and I don't do nothing with electricity. So that's why I brought it here. So let's see what he comes back with, and I'll give you guys an update once he lets me know. Alright guys, so I got the deflector loaded back up. He gave me a really good price on the deflector. So I also talked to him about doing rot lights, and he referred me to his good friend that does all the wiring. And just because of my timely manner that I'm trying to get it done, then his friend's gonna actually do the wiring for me. But anyway, man, y'all pretty much get the understanding of the full build that's going on right now. So once I get the what am I trying to say? Once I get the bug deflector done and rock lights, it's gonna be a little bit to where I want it to be as far as the aesthetic goes of the truck. So if you're still tapped in, still tuned in right now, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel for more JamesAtkinsTv content. And you already know, man. Until next time, it's your boy, JamesAtkinsTv. We out.